Oh, hi, Boosted Board. I just been having this problem with one of my motor wheels. I just been taking this out. If I don't take it out, it'll make like a really loud clicking noise. It's actually pretty similar, but a little worse than a lot of videos I can find online. Yeah, I just took it out. If I do it right now, like if I just open it up right now, uh, the noise is actually not super defined, but like I took this one out with no wheels like or belts on at all. I do notice, this wheel is actually making a lot less noise than this one, even without any wheels on. So it's definitely something wrong with this motor right here. It just, yeah, because I tried actually swapping this wheel to this one. I took everything like from that one to this. I try to, make just, spin it. Use the remote to work it, and it's still making the same sound, so it's not anything related to the wheels or the belt. So I narrowed it down to the motor right here. It's gotta be something wrong with it. Yeah, even when I just rotate it, you can listen. Yeah, it's making a slight noise. So yeah, it's definitely something wrong with this motor. I just want you to see this video and just let me know what I can do with it. Thank you.